Burning in the Rain by Richard Blanco. Someday compassion would demand that I set myself free of my desire to recreate my father, indulge in my mother's losses, strangle lovers with words, forcing them to confess for me and take the blame. Today was that day. I tossed them sheet by sheet on the patio and gathered them into a pile. I wanted to let them go in a blaze, tiny white dwarfs imploding beside the azalea and ficus bushes. Let them crackle, burst like winged seeds. Let them smolder into gossamer embers. 1,000 gray butterflies in the wind. Today was that day. But it rained. Kept raining. Instead of fire, water. Drops knocking on doors, wetting windows into mirrors, reflecting me in the oaks. The garden walls and stones swelling into ghostlier shades of themselves, the wind chimes giggling in the storm. A coffee cup left overflowing with rain. Instead of burning, my pages turned into water lilies floating over puddles. Then tiny white cliffs as the sun set, finally drying all night under the moon into paper mache souvenirs. Today, the rain would not let their lives burn.